On the 7th and 8th of December, Coventry University, in conjunction with the European Development Fund and Coventry and Warwickshire Green Business Programme, I'll be running a 2-day course based at Coventry University, introducing you to AutoCAD, still one of the most popular 2D or 3D drafting packages out there. Now, we'll be focusing on 2D, and it'll be aimed at beginners or those of you who have opened up a blank screen and really struggled as to where to go next. I'll introduce you to the daunting but not so complicated interface, how to set it up correctly, make sure we've got access to some layer controls and some properties, and then we can start working on things like selection and moving, positioning objects, tracking, those key disciplines that you need to understand. We'll also look at some keyboard modifiers to help with the copying and pasting and rotating of various objects. And we'll put all these random bits together to create this rather beautiful Langoustine clock. We'll also look at creating blocks and then how we can incorporate those into drawings. And then we're going to move on to generating some house plans. So once you've learned how to create and move things like this, it's only a very short step over to creating stuff like this. The thing that can be quite confusing to a new user of this software is when you take your model environment into something called layout. This then gets affected by all sorts of scaling issues and visibility issues, and that's really where we can focus our efforts. We'll also be covering annotation of various shapes and sizes, whether it's dimensions or text. We'll also be looking at how we can lay these things out with these things, viewports. Potentially one of the trickiest aspects to get your head around. So if you're an SME in the West Midlands and this sort of thing appeals to you, then come and join me, Paul Smith, for this 2-day course in December. Contact details will be coming up on the screen, so get in touch with Lavinia and she'll make all the necessary arrangements. I look forward to seeing you soon.